How to go live on TikTok without showing face. Hey everybody, welcome back. In this following video, I'll show you how can you go live on TikTok without showing face. Now to do it so, you have to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your TikTok application and log into your account. After you're logged in, so similarly, in order to go live, you have to meet some criteria as well. So before you go live, make sure that you have 1,000 followers and that you need to be 18 years and above. And click on the plus icon at the bottom of the page, and as soon as you do it so, you'll be able to see this live option. Since I do not meet the criteria, so the option isn't available in my case. So when you go ahead and click on live, then you'll have a couple of different options in order to go live without showing your face. The first thing is you could go ahead and flip your camera. If it is in the front camera, then you could actually go ahead and click on this sort of icon you could see in the top right, and then flip your camera and you could turn to the backward, or you could use the back camera while going live. Now that is another way. And next thing, you could also go to the gaming mode, and then you should be able to go live without showing your face. Similarly, you could also find other options go live on TikTok without showing face. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.